Hello everyone, Morahoneza. How are you doing today? Welcome back to our channel. We'll be teaching you daily items, things you use on daily basis on our channel. Okay, so get your pen and your paper, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, please.
Muraho neza, reka twizere ko mumeze neza. Twongeye kugaruka kubigisha kuri channel yacu. Twizere ko muza kuryoherwa. Tugiye kuba turi kwiga amazina y'ibikoresho dukoresha mu buzima bwacu bwa buri munsi mu kinyarwanda. Araza kuba ari kuvuga icyongereza and then njyewe ikinyarwanda. Mudukurikire, twizere ko muri buze kubishimisha.
Come with us. We are going to start from here. Daily items.
Ibikoresho bya buri munsi.
Okay. The first item we are starting with is water.
Amazi,
Pot.
icyungo,
Spoon.
ikiyiko,
Saucepan.
isafuriya,
Table.
ameza,
Chair.
intebe,
Clothes.
imyenda,
Knife.
icyuma,
Milk.
amata,
Broom.
umweyo,
Mop.
itorosho,
Bulb.
itara,
Cupboard.
akabati,
Shoes.
inkweto,
Soap.
isabune,
Lotion.
amavuta,
Book.
ibitabo,
Pen.
ikaramu,
Shorts.
ikabutura,
Trouser.
ipantaro.
So these are things you use on daily basis in your day-to-day life in Rwanda. So we are going to read this one more time for you so that you can grab the pronunciations very well. So we are going to do this one more time. Water.
Amazi,
Pot.
icyungo,
Spoon.
ikiyiko,
Saucepan.
isafuriya,
Table.
ameza,
Chair.
intebe,
Clothes.
imyenda,
Knife.
icyuma,
Milk.
amata,
Broom.
umweyo,
Mop.
itorosho,
Bulb.
itara,
Cupboard.
akabati,
Shoes.
inkweto,
Soap.
isabune,
Lotion.
amavuta,
Books.
ibitabo,
Pen.
ikaramu,
Shorts.
ikabutura.